We're back with another episode of the Racers and Rods Food Truck Review, Car Show Edition.
Hey everybody, Jim's here today from Racers and Rods. We're at the Foxbrook Car Show in Parrish at the United Methodist Church. About 400 cars here. So we just went and got some lunch from TK Grill and Barbecue, which has a local 941 number, so they're from here in town somewhere. We'll post the video, the link to them and the logo down below. So here's what I've got. I've got the sausage sandwich with peppers and onions, which I didn't realize came with fries, and also comes with 2 sandwiches, so it was a pretty good deal. Not sure what we paid for it, but anyway, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and try it. Good sandwich. The sausage had a good crunch to it, a little spicy, it's very good. Peppers and onions are sauteed on the grill. Really soft, really good. Bun's fresh, super good sandwich. So our group here, we also got a hamburger, got a cheeseburger, got a buffalo chicken wrap, all gonna come with fries. A lot of good food. This was a deal. I didn't know I was gonna get 2 sandwiches, but I got a split sausage here. It's very good. Has a little crunch to the outer shell, a little spicy inside, but the bun is very, very good, very soft. It's a good bun, and I tell you what makes the sandwich: the peppers and onions that have obviously been put on the grill and marinated for a while. Really super soft. Red onions, or onions, red peppers, green peppers. All right, working on the end of my last sandwich here. Super, super good. I just want to give a shout out to TK Grill and Barbecue. Really good food. The burger we had here, the barbecue or the chicken sandwich was awesome. The fries are great. This is, like I said, a super, super sandwich. The peppers and onions on it are #1. So at the end of the day, big thumbs up for TK Grill. We appreciate it, and catch them at the next show if you can.